Hello, guys. Welcome back to Be Rich Podcast. Today, Albin Bro is with us. Today, we are going to talk about something special. That yesterday is Ratan Tata's birthday.
Yeah, 86th birthday.
Yes, we are going to talk about that. How Tata Group was formed, how they emerged as this much big in our Indian economy. I took Albin Bro here to ask how Tata Group got this much name or expansion like that.
Oh, okay.
So, first, welcome to the show, bro.
Thank you.
So
thank you.
today I have to ask you that first tell me how Tata Group it started and how it's evolved. Then I have to add some point like whenever we talk about Tata, Anand sir getting emotional
Yes.
all the time. So what is the bonding between Tata and him?
Okay. So first, regarding Tata, the legacy started around 150 years back.
Okay.
Not just 50 or 100 years. It's like 150 years back the legacy started. And the Tata Group's founder, Jamshedji Tata, they started like with a opium trade only.
Okay.
Okay, just an opium trade. They started a business with that. Then they moved on to like textile business. Okay, textile business at a small scale they started. And after that, they expanded a lot.
Okay.
And they made a huge profit in that textile business. And they were like the Indian face of textile industry. Tatas. Then after that, what happened was when Jamshedji Tata, he was about to attend a meeting in Mumbai where he was not allowed to enter into a hotel.
Okay.
That was called as a whites hotel, it seems. Okay, only whites were allowed into that hotel, and being an Indian, he wasn't able to enter the hotel. That's where Indian hotels was started.
Okay.
That's how it was started. And first hotel was started like around 100 years back, nearly 120 years, and so 120 years back they started Taj Mahal Palace Hotel.
Okay.
In Mumbai, and it's still operating, and it's still the face of Indian hotel industry. Okay, so from textile industry they moved to hotel industry. After that, hospitality sector, they ventured into power sector. Even before the Indian government itself entered into the power sector, Tatas were the one who started the power sector.
Okay.
So they went into Tata Power. Then they started Tata Steel.
Okay.
Because Jamshedji Tata, when he traveled across places, across the world, he was seeing the industrial revolution in the West. Okay, so with that idea, with that intuition only, he just had a foresight like in the future, in near some 50 to 60 years, steel will be the base component for industrial purpose.
Okay.
Okay, so with that thing in mind, he started Tata Steel. So before Jamshedji Tata died, he started a lot of companies. Okay, and they are still now they are operating. Tata Steel, Tata Power, Indian Hotels, all these companies are still in operative mode. Then the legacy passed on to JRD.
Okay.
JRD Tata, sir. And JRD Tata followed the footpaths of Jamshedji Tata, and he started a lot more business for Tata Group.
Okay.
Be it Tata Chemicals, be it Titan, be it Tata Consultancy Services, being Tata Airlines. Tata Airlines was then took over by the Indian government, Air India, and again they couldn't run the business profitably.
Now they came back to
Tata, and now they are running Air India. So he started a lot of businesses for the Tata Group.
Okay.
Even Tata Chemicals, Tata Elxsi, many companies are formed under the leadership of JRD Tata. But this person, Ratan Tata sir, he wasn't that much into the Tata Group of companies businesses.
Okay.
Because he went to the United States to do his studies. After that, he had a mindset like to settle there itself without getting into the Tata Group's business. So he was just trying to live a life in US itself. But then his grandmother only asked him to come to India and take care of the business for some time at least.
Okay.
So he started as a normal floor worker in Tata Steel. In Jamshedpur, he's the group's own legal heir. Okay, but he was not placed as a MD or a CEO of particular industry. He was at the floor level only.
Okay.
Okay, like a normal person, he was also employed at the bottom of the pyramid, and he gradually went up the ladder. And when JRD Tata passed away, this person, Ratan Tata sir, took over the chairmanship.
Okay.
And under him, Tata Motors had a big turnaround because everyone must be knowing that Ratan Tata was planning to sell Tata Motors to Ford Motors.
Yes.
But then one thing that CEO of Ford Motors, Henry Ford, what he said was, why are you Indians entering into auto sector? What do you guys know about automotive industry? It's only the US and the Germans. He was in that mindset. And with that only, this person, Ratan Tata sir, came back to India. He just turned around Tata Motors with a lot of cars, and he then bought JLR itself. From Ford, he bought JLR and made it a profitable venture. And today, 67% of Tata Motors revenue is coming from JLR.
Okay.
And a lot of things, the patent, the technology, the car platform, everything is from JLR only.
Okay.
Tata Motors are using JLR platforms only. So a lot of things, lot of ideas have been put into the Tata Group, mainly by JRD and Ratan Tata sir.
Ratan Tata. Okay, as you said that you were saying about what are all the things that Tata did that in the company side. I want to know how they built this much trust, which is unbreakable nowadays.
Okay.
So how they build that trust? Even if, when we ask anyone that what do you think about Tata means, they will say like that's a good company. We can invest in those. Whoever didn't know stock market also talking about that. Like Tata is a genuine thing to do business with. Like that. So how they build the trust?
Okay, a simple thing what I wanted to quote here is, first of all, everyone must be knowing that Tata's 2/3 of their revenue, their profits goes to charity.
Okay.
If they are going to earn 1 rupee, 66 paise will be given for
Charity.
through Tata Trust. They run a lot of charitable institutions in India, especially in the hospital sector.
Okay.
Their Tata Cancer Institutes, Indian Institute of Science is a premium elite university. Okay, so they run a lot of things and they are directly giving quality products to the customers. Not only the products, even services. For example, I would like to quote one thing. In the year 2000, they have their own company, Tata Capital. Okay, in that company, the MD at that time, he just took some funds from Tata Capital and he has invested in a lot more companies in an unhealthy manner.
Okay.
Okay, he just diverted fund across companies and a lot of things were in losses that time. And a lot of investment faced losses. And at that time, the investors were at a panic situation.
Okay.
We trusted Tata. But then the Tata Capital's own managing director, he has diverted the funds in unhealthy manner. So what we are going to do? The panic situation was there. But what Ratan Tata sir did was, he was just asking how much did he invest. It was like around 500 crores. Okay, prepare some cash funds. For how much, sir? 600 crores. So if at all investor in Tata Capital wants to take his money out, he must be compensated immediately.
Okay.
Okay, so if at all there is a loss, it must not be passed on to the investor. We have to bear the loss. We have to give them the cash readily. So he asked the company top executives, the Tata board, to make sure that they have some 600 crores. So the total loss was nearly 500 crores, but they had a cash reserve of 600 crores to just compensate the investors. But what happened was, people trusted Tata. None of them took the money.
Okay.
That's how they built the trust in Tata Group. And because of their quality products, quality services, the trust they have built, as well as the philanthropic activities, as well as Ratan Tata sir's name will not be in the top billionaires list in India. His name won't feature.
Because most of his work are going to charities.
Yeah. And many of the companies are still unlisted in Tata Group.
Okay.
Okay, even now Tata Technologies came like some 1 month back. 500 rupees was the IPO price. Now it's trading at 1,200. So a lot more unlisted companies are still lying inside Tata's pockets. And they are making a lot of money, and that money is going for charity.
Charities. That's how we're building
So
the trust.
one single company was doing profit that time. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and Titan also. Titan was making a good profit only, decent profit. After that, they turned around Tata Motors. Now they have turned around Tata Steel. And one by one, they are turning around each and every company. They are into all the sectors in India.
Now every single company is making profits.
Making a lot of profits, and the profits are going again to the people.
Okay.
That's how they have built trust. That's how they have built the fame and pride of, and they stand as the pride of India. And even Elon Musk also quoted about Tata. The interviewer asked, do you know about Ratan Tata? Yeah, he's a gem of a person. And even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the big bull of India, he has himself admitted that Tatas are blessed by God. And India is lucky to have such people. So that's why Anand sir has an emotional connect with the Tatas. They are for Indians. That's all.
Understood. So hope you guys like today's video. As the Ratan sir's birthday is yesterday, we shoot that video on this birthday. It will be released tomorrow. That's why. Hope you guys wish him in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment in our videos. Thank you for watching Be Rich Podcast.
Thank you.